At Nautilus Biotechnology, we are developing a single-molecule proteomics platform capable of fueling research in neuroscience. In neurobiology, protein pathways and proteoforms largely dictate the structure of neuronal networks, facilitate communication between cells, and drive neurological disease when things go awry. In this video, we briefly share how neuroscientists can leverage proteomics to learn more about the brain and neurological disease. We also describe how comprehensive single-molecule proteomic analysis, enabled by the Nautilus Proteome Analysis Platform, can enhance neuroscience research and invite you to dive into our Proteomics and Neuroscience eBook for more information. Passing the role of proteoforms in normal biology and disease. Modified proteins and proteoforms can drive the cell migratory processes that enable the development of healthy yet complex neuronal networks. Yet, aberrant modifications and an overabundance of certain proteoforms, such as phosphorylated tau, have been identified as potentially causative agents in the development of neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's. Thus, it is crucial to get a full accounting of proteoforms to enhance our understanding of basic and disease biology in the nervous system. While this is often difficult with traditional proteomics techniques, the Nautilus Proteome Analysis Platform is designed to make targeted proteoform studies far easier to do and may vastly improve our understanding of the nervous system. Revealing biomarkers of neurological disease. It remains difficult to identify early signs of many neurological disorders. The Nautilus Proteome Analysis Platform is designed to give researchers much more comprehensive views into the proteomes of people with and without such diseases. For example, by measuring high and low abundance proteins across the wide dynamic range of the proteome, it may enable the identification of biomarkers indicative of early disease that are easy to measure non-invasively. Such biomarkers may empower patients to enter treatment early and stave off or avoid the more devastating consequences of neurological diseases, such as dementia or the loss of motor function. In addition, proteins that are found at elevated abundance in the diseased brain may make the most impactful drug targets. Identifying them across the incredible dynamic range of the proteome is an essential initial step in the development of novel drugs. With billions of landing pads capable of isolating single protein molecules, the Nautilus Proteome Analysis Platform is designed to enable researchers to identify proteins with abundance differences that might be missed on traditional proteomics platforms. Neuroscientists are already leveraging proteomics in creative and impactful ways. With our next-generation proteomics platform, we hope to accelerate their work and give people a tremendous boost in the fight against Alzheimer's and other diseases. Learn more at nautilus.bio and be sure to check out our Proteomics and Neuroscience eBook for more examples of proteomics in action in the study of the nervous system.